Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to screen record with OBS Studio. It's a pretty quick and easy method, so I hope you follow all the steps and do not skip the video. So without waste your time, let's get started. Make sure the OBS Studio is already installed in your computer. First, click your OBS Studio and then you can see the plus button on the top on the bottom left corner. Click the plus button and now you can see the game captures and display captures. So you can choose anyone. I just select the display capture. Now you can see, then click OK, and now you can see that my display is shown. Then the first method is capture method. There is three options: desktop, duplications, and window 10. Now always select the automatic, and then you can see your display screen size, then click OK. After that, the screen recording was started. This is a very simple and easy method. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Now subscribe my channel and like my video.